This one's 3-bedroom. Storage and stuff. Let's see if it's really 2. Okay. So far, so good. That's a nice pantry. Right here. Okay. These light fixtures are amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. I like this little homework area. We gotta do it in the next time. So they did the same paint colors in the other one. They just did it vertically versus horizontally. Which one's the primary? We do that one last. It's cozy. One walk-in closet. Still got a good size water closet though. And some water closets you go into, it's like the toilet and that's it. Like, I mean, I know that's all that it is, but it just feel like you just tight. Attic access, linen closet. Bathroom behind me. Hot water heater, HVAC and stuff. Laundry. Oh, that's nice. And then your second bedroom. Oh, that's so cool. That is cool. That's a great idea. That is so cool.
To success.
All right. I mean, yeah, I did it. Right here's where the air conditioning is. I feel it.